How to fix easy anti-cheat not opening. So the very main thing that you want to do is to manually set it up or install the software. So say for example, you're trying to access it via Epic Games. All you have to do is to go into your file manager, go to this PC, local disk C, program files, and from here just simply hit E on your keyboard, choose on Epic Games. Now say for example on Fortnite, binaries, Windows 64, and this is where you can find your easy anti-cheat folder to simply run the whole setup. But before doing that, what you want to do is say for example this is the setup, go to properties, go to compatibility. Now choose on run this program in compatibility mode 4. Just leave it as it is on Windows 8 because this is my current operating system. Now choose on disables full screen optimization and run this program as an admin and hit on apply. And that's it. That is how you fix easy anti-cheat not opening.